And so yeah, just a big jump. So right now, since Lisk hasn't really been too much higher than these prices, seems like things are starting to form. So this is going to help me out later on. So now I can see that this is a common area. If Lisk ever comes back down here, what I'm going to be looking for. I see that they like to spike and they do like long big spikes. So this lets me know when I start seeing this again, how long I can possibly stay in this trade before I start looking for areas to turn around. So if we're going to look for support and resistance, usually where there's support and resistance, I'm starting to notice that there are people waiting for either breakouts or have stops. So I guess technically by me looking for the highs and the lows to play, I'm really looking for the stops and the breakouts to play against those. Against the breakouts and along with the stops, you know. So here, I guess if people were trading up, um, I suppose this candle started here, and I don't know if it started here and then went down and went up, or how this played out. But either way, there's a method to this, and I guess I have to go into a lower time frame to see what we could see. Okay, so now I'm looking under the hood on the 1 hour chart, and as you can see where I had built these blocks, the reason why this was green, I was considering it as one big green candle right here, and you can see how this, all of this would on the daily chart, all this would have fit inside of here, and that's how this one big green candle came about. So what I want to look at right now is the zones in the lower areas. So you still see right here, just like on the daily chart, and we're down to the 1 hour chart. You can still see what was going on. This was a ranging area, and I guess the institutional traders were counting on people to play the highs and the lows here, highs and the lows, looking for a breakout. So every now and then they would give them a reason to believe that there was a breakout happening. And what you would see right here, one candle, two candle, okay, we're thinking there's a breakout. Then we got these nasty little spikes. So they'll snatch all that up and then bring it back down. So then another sense of false hope, get it pumping up a little bit, and then let the retailers pick up the rest. And they say, okay, well, there's a breakout. And for those who had stopped, who decided to trade it short, especially after a couple of candles right here, they're probably thinking, especially us retailers, we're amateurs and stuff. Those of us that are amateurs, we probably see a couple of these. Oh, okay, well, it's changing, because we would have put a trend line here. We would have put like some sort of a trend line right here, and felt like things are changing, and we can trade this down until it crosses over, which it did right here. Let's see. It crossed over right here, and it went this big candle. So we would have our stop losses somewhere along in here, and then you got those breakout traders who waiting for it to go above this little zone right here, and they would all get stopped out. See how high that pushed up? This seems like this is to make sure that all stops are taken, and anyone's doing the breakout, they can go ahead and snatch them up and then just bring it down and continue downwards, which is what you see. So it's just like a lot of little tricks being played here. Um, and then, yeah, continue downwards. And then they got into this zone. So there is a method to this madness. There's a certain area, I guess, these people have to put together to make things work. And look at this. What is the point of this really long, nasty... Is there another one over here? Yeah, right here. I'm going to change the color of these. We want things to kind of match up. So when we're looking for stuff, hold on a second. Why can't I get the color? Okay, there. Let's go. It helps me figure out what's going on. I like to match things up. Okay. So let's bring these together. Change this color. So as you can see, this stuff repeats itself over and over again in the same areas. Once I get this down pat and I'm understanding this, I'm hoping this is like a win-win situation for me.